Today we will be mapping short A high frequency words. First, let's review the sounds we will be working with today. All of our words will have the short A. Short A says ah. Our consonants will be C. In our word C will say the k sound. D says d. M says N says n, and T says t. Now that we have reviewed our sounds, we can start to work on mapping our words. So I will say the word. Please repeat the word. Then we are going to segment our sounds. We will count our sounds, and we will write our sounds. So here's how it's going to work. Our first word is at. Echo at. Let's segment at. At. Now let's count. How many sounds did we hear? The answer is 2. So let's write at. At. Okay, our next word is an. Recco. Let's segment the sounds. A, n. Let's count our sounds. There should be 2. Let's write our sounds. A, n, an. Our next word is am. Echo am. Let's segment am. A, Let's count the sounds in am. There should be 2. We'll use 2 boxes. So let's write it. A, am. Our next word is can. Echo. Now let's segment our sounds. K, a, n. How many sounds did you hear? The answer should be 3. We'll use 3 boxes on this word. Let's write our word. K, a, n. Can. Our last word is and. And has a blend at the end, which means there are 2 consonants that blend together. So let us segment our sounds. A, n, d. How many sounds did you hear? The answer is 3. A, n, d. And. So if you cannot map these words on your own, please repeat the video and do this one more time to review.